How you doing?
Good. Like the one like what that wasn't one that said one like wasn't like like the one like wasn't like and the one like wasn't like doesn't like one and I get one I was saying that
Nasaktan talaga ako sa email na natanggap ko from work. At ito talaga yung pinaka-hate ko guys na email. Pinaka-hate na email na matanggap. Because we can't eat it in the car, can we? Why?
Because it'll make dirt.
Make dirt. It's a big no-no.
I mean you get outside, only?
Yeah, we can only eat outside.
Just not in the car, you will milk in the car.
Correct.
You can milk in here.
Yeah, it's okay to melt it here, not in the car.
Yes, no.
Are you okay? Do you need Mama's help?
No, please. I'm going to do it all by myself. Because I'm the elf. Me too,
Where are you going, honey?
Shop.
Shop.
I'm gonna get myself on break. So,
Honey?
Say good morning. Say good afternoon. Come.
I don't want that.
Here, say good afternoon.
I want Daddy to come and shop with me.
Yeah, you're going with Daddy.
Is you?
Yeah, in the pram. You're not going with Mommy?
you got funny food after.
Yeah.
You can give me surprise and I will come with me. It's
It's the other way around now, Daddy.
Okay. Well, I'm not flying.
not a red brownie.
You know what I'll do? I'll just wait till you come back and then I can take her later.
I want Mommy to
Say good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, guys.
How you doing?
Good.
Say how you doing? Uy!
Now,
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang pa-outfit, guys. Oh, yung galing sa okay na Adidas na binili ko. Now, show me your outfit, Nakbe. Come this way because it's bright here. Hello, guys. Pasensyahan niyo na ang aking mukha, eh. Hindi pa nakapaglamos. Yeah. Baby. Wow. Move there a little bit. Move there a little bit. Wow. Do you love your outfit?
yes.
Wow. No, it looks very nice. I like it, anak. You
Oh,
water the plants while you're there, babe.
yeah? What?
There. Yan, binibigyan ko na yan siya ng
Like that?
trabaho. Yes. Para maging responsable. And spray. Alam niyo ba guys, na since nag-start akong mag-spray ng ganyan, yung hindi talaga sa ilalim, sa roots, the plant looks better. Kumpara sa yung tubig talaga ilalagay sa
I can reach.
It's okay. Just do what you can do, honey. How about the other one? How about the other one, sweetie? Okay. Ito siya. Kailangan talaga ito siyang buhayin. Oh. Parang, ano ba?
I've cleaned the door.
Malalanta. Okay, do the other ones.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
Ayan. Buti na lang to siya, guys. Pag sinasabihan ko na water the plants, ganun. She's following talaga. Finished?
No.
Be careful, mabasa atong bangko. Good girl. Oh, enough na. Magtulo-tulo na ka diha. The daddy's going na. Go.
Daddy need the mask.
Nak, you have to sing to the plants, Nak. Nak, you have to sing while you are watering the plants.
AKONG.
Yeah, so they're happy. Come on, sing.
I go on like one, like a twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above your little sky. I can't reach.
That's okay, Mama will do that once. Well done.
I'll do that once.
Yeah, very far though. Very far. Tingnan niyo ang ating chan, guys. Oh, si Baby Celine ay ano din, alam niyo yung parang very hard na. Tawag nilang Braxton Hicks, ganun.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Enough na dawan. Basta na. Thank you.
You're welcome.
May araw pala, oh. You ready? Where's your blanket? Hala, it's raining, anak. Sit down properly, baby. Do you still wanna go with Daddy, nak? It's raining, man. Huh? Hold that, man.
Airplane. It's an helicopter.
What is it?
Helicopter.
Helicopter?
No, helicopter.
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 Huh?
Huh? How is it? Helicopter.
Helicopter. Helicopter. You say helicopter.
Yeah.
Nah.
Put jacket na, babe. Put jacket na. Okay,
Where's the
in the car.
I got your car. I got your car.
He's gonna get a mask. Hang on, I'll get you jacket na. Huh? Is it for you? It's from Mom. It's from Mommy. Put the blanket on too, honey. Ayan, lagyan ko na ng jacket, guys. O, kasi ginaw.
Ding dong dong dong.
Dung. Daddy, can you please lock her? Put this.
I'm done.
Yeah, Baba, lock her. Daddy will do. You're silly, Paris.
No, I'm not silly.
You be good to Daddy, okay?
Yes, I will.
Promise?
I
Put that gold. Okay, kiss Mommy.
always wear umbrella.
I love you.
I love you. I have an umbrella.
Your umbrella? It's
Daddy.
okay, you're in the pram. You'll be fine. Okay, you tell Daddy if you're cold, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Have a good day, sweetheart. Enjoy.
Okay.
Lunch break na naman ni Daddy niya. Alam niyo guys, sasama sana ako kasi magsasasakyan kami. Pero alam niyo naman ang ating Daddy Mike na gusto talagang maglakad. So, ayun. Dinala niya si Paris kasi si Paris gusto din sumama sa kanya. Tapos sabi ko, kasi kailangan ko din kasing pumunta ng post office. May kailangan tayong i-post, guys. And para dalawa yung lakad ni Paris ba. So, kasama yung daddy niya at kasama ako. Hintayin ko na lang sila na makabalik dito. And then, we'll go to the post office together with Paris. Uy! Ano guys, oh? Grabe. Makahangak na, guys.
A few moments later.
Umuulan sa labas. Umuulan ba na ko? Ay, talithi. Uy! Ayan, oh, aalis na kami. Uy, what's in there? It's our turn. Mommy and Paris will go. Where are we going?
Where are
Where are we going?
Shop.
No.
School.
No. You guess, and I'll give you the surprise if you guess. Up. Stand up.
Our going down.
Where are we going?
Office.
Where?
Office.
The other office. How do you call it? How do you call it? Ano? Post?
Post office.
Yeah. What are you, Nak? Your hand?
Out.
Out. Who's mommy?
Polly.
Polly. Obsessed na naman to siya ngayon sa mga elf na ganyan,
Mama.
guys. Mama. Ayan. Oh!
Wow.
Wow, what is that? Come here.
Biscuit.
Show Tita and Tito what you got babe, from Mama. Hansel.
Hansel.
That's right, didn't you? Ang ating Daddy Mike ay working hard.
Biscuit.
Hansel. Give Mama one, be.
Yeah.
Umuulan pa man, guys. Uy, ginaw-ginaw. Tingnan nyo ang jacket ko.
There are biscuits.
You like it, yeah?
That's mine. Wait a Let me open inside. What's inside?
Sabi mo na.
Wow.
Eh, pag tagak-tagak.
No. Ayan, chocolate.
Yummy, yummy.
Did you get
Good
anything from
enough.
the ATO?
Huh?
Did you get any email or anything from the ATO?
No.
Mine, I got mine.
I get yours?
No, not like that. I got an email saying it's been done and it'll be in my account in 1 to 3 days.
Did they say it's been approved?
Yeah.
For that amount?
Yeah. I just said no, that's that.
Just said it's been processed. Ako yala, ulan na dyan siya na. It's raining. Sing sa anak, be, para kuan mahunong ang ulan.
One baby.
It's raining, it's pouring. Come on.
I don't know.
Come on, we have to run, huh? Are you gonna use your umbrella?
Yeah, I'll use it for you.
For me?
That's called having an umbrella.
Okay, go, go.
Have a hat. I mean, umbrella.
Ano, because the cold air is coming. Noon sa may nagpayong-payong. Bro, makag-mushroom na ko eh. Look where you're going, ha? Careful. Ulan. Talithira man noon. Good job, my love. Well done.
I'm not getting sick.
You're not getting...
See, I have my umbrella to you.
Yeah, you're not getting sick.
Yes, I have my
Huh?
umbrella.
Sobrang ganda. Because you're the what?
Out.
You're the elf?
Yes.
Wala man, natarong na ko eh. Wait na, there might be car na ka. Ah, sige, come on. Keep going. Pero nga imong kuan.
Why?
Payong. There. There you go. Go, go, go. Check tayo. It's 2:50 ng hapon. And, oh my God. Are you cold, Nak? Yeah. Very cold. Umuulan pa, oh. Naririnig niyo ba? Patak ng ulan sa bubong ng bahay. Anyways, so yun na nga guys, pupunta tayo ngayon ng post office. Yun yung kinakagiliwan kong gawin at the moment na hindi ako nag-work guys. So, obviously, alam nyo naman, you know, parang medyo marami akong mga gamit na parang nakaupo lang sa bahay, yung hindi ginagamit. Kaya naisipan ko na i-ano sila, i-post sila online. May nabenta si seller. Online seller na si atin ngayon. Hindi. Binibenta ko na lang sila kaysa naman parang matambak lang dyan, diba? Tapos wala naman akong ginagawa. So, I take photos and all that. Diba guys? Very, nasaktan. Nasaktan, grabe. Nasaktan talaga ako sa, email na natanggap ko from work. At ito talaga yung pinaka-hate ko guys na email. Pinaka-hate na email na matanggap. Kasi I've been through this before when I was pregnant with Paris.
Go, go, go.
Okay. Chiki sa si mama, kajut lang kayo. Agoy. Oh my God. Pinaka-hate ko guys pagdating ng ano. Kasi sa work kasi namin, we get paid every month. So, pag mga 15th, ganon of the month, doon kami sinesulduhan. Tapos sa work namin kasi, meron kaming app sa phone kung saan namin nakikita lahat ng details about work, and about pays, and everything. And then, always silang nagsisend ng notification, email, sinasabi na your payslip is ready. And I hate it, guys. Super hate it when you receive that email na your payslip is ready. Tapos pag open mo, wala. Parang nakasabi, guys, like, it seriously feels like may nakalagay na is a franc. Ganon. Is a franc, te. Wala ka ng sweldo, bes. So, your payslip is ready, pero $0. Anyhow, makakapag-move on din tayo, guys, doon. We'll go back to that one day. For now, I'm just, enjoying, being a mother, being a wife, and yeah, obviously, be a mother of 2 very soon. Itong isa ay pa, dancing na. Hala, nak, we have to put petrol pa din, nak. Hala, 7 kilometers na lang, magtulod jud ka, nak. Nak, are you gonna push the car? Can you push the car if we run out of fuel? Huh? Are you gonna push the car? Are you strong? Have you got muscles for it? Be, pakita, be muscles. Wow, big muscles. Makatulog mga siguro ka na ko. Alas 3 na. You didn't have a nap as yet. Are you ready? Just gonna go to the petrol station, nak na. We'll go to the petrol station after the post office, honey. Is that okay?
Yes.
Are you sure you're not going to sleep yet?
Yeah.
Okay. Say babush. Ayan, nagpagasolina muna kami, guys. Gasolina. Gasolina. Ang mahal ng gasolina, grabe. There, 140 something. Kaka. Gutom din daw siya. What would you like to get, nak? Yeah, have a look here.
It's ice cream.
Would you like one? Slurpee? Yeah, this way.
That's not
Which one is it? Steak. See, okay. Go get.
Where's the
Tignan niyo,
stick?
parang hindi winter.
Well, what?
Which one? Come on now.
Mine. Can I have
Oh, get one. Come on. Be quick. Blue one?
yes, please?
Good girl. Here you go. You have to go back.
This is my favorite one.
Huh? Bigyan sa mama's wallet eh. It's coffee. Ang bata na parang walang winter sa kanila. You have to bite it, anak. Oh, because it's melting, diba?
I'm Nikki.
The same din naman kay mami. Oh. Iced coffee. Na? Hindi ko alam kung bakit ito yung binili ko, guys. Anak, no? I don't know why. After dito, pupunta kami ng shops kasi nag-message yung daddy niya. Nagpapabili ng tea. No?
Yeah.
Tinitingnan niya yung sarili niya sa window. Yummy? Eat it before it melts, honey. Here. Because we can't eat it in the car, can we? Why?
Because it'll make dirt.
Make dirt. It's a big no-no.
I mean, you get outside, only.
Yeah, we can only eat outside.
Just not in the car. It will melt in the car.
Correct.
You can melt in here.
Yeah, it's okay to melt it here, not in the car.
Yes, no.
Dito na kami sa harapan ng shops. Come on na, madam. Naog na, dam. Oh. Katulgon ka nak da. Are you sleepy na?
No.
You sure?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Come. Careful how when you come down. Why are we here, nak? Take that out, please. Take that out, please.
I'm gonna leave it because
Hala, pala lagi mo na unak.
Huh?
What happened there?
Huh?
It's red. Hala, sa katugnaw siguro na. Nakam na.
It's red from the sun.
From the sun? Yeah. Okay, come on now, let's go.
I don't want the sun to hurt. My dad, you have red face?
I don't have red face.
I have red face.
Come on now, because daddy's waiting for his tea.
Mama?
Are you okay? Do you need mama's help?
No, please. I can do it all by myself. Because I'm the elf.
You're the elf. Come on.
Where's
I'm going now. Ay, dugay kay ka. Ay,
Jamie?
Tito Jamie's there. They're close naman na kay hapon na. Can you close the door, please?
Yes, I'm stronger because I'm the elf.
Push hard. Ay, sus. Bayot magkayog. Sabi, mama will do it, babe. Excuse me. Like that ba? Go, go. Wait. There's a car.
Wow,
There.
it's Daddy.
Can you hold mommy's wallet, ah?
It's Daddy gone.
Daddy pig?
Where Daddy?
Where is Daddy pig?
Where is Daddy?
Careful. Hold mama.
Where? Where's my daddy, Mommy? Where's my daddy? Where's my daddy?
Yeah. Go, go, go. Go run.
Where's my daddy? Where's my
This
daddy?
way.
Where?
Daddy's at home, anak. We're just getting daddy's tea. Go run. 20 million. Oh. 31st July. Sana all. Sana all. Makadaog mo na tag 20 million, nak. Nak. Go, let's go find the tea. We'll go find daddy's tea first. Go, quick.
I don't want
Do you know what the tea looks like, nak? Huh?
bananas.
Yee. Go, go. Here, oh.
Where?
Go, run.
Where?
Kataranta po siya sa iya, guys, na.
Where?
Ganun siya diri kay tea. Taranta po siya. Yung gusto. Here. Tea. Ah, this one. This is what daddy wants, nak. Tea too. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo. Kakarating lang namin. We'll park sa labas. Wow, honey. You're a multitasker, aren't you?
Yeah.
What's that in your hand? She can't talk. B, give me that one. B. Thank you. Hey, take that off. Take that out your mouth na because it's dirty. Let me just check the mailbox na ka.
Let me see. Nothing. Yeah.
POC. What's this one? Ay, mga rubbish. Go, go, go.
Rubbish. I don't like rubbish. I don't like rubbish.
I don't like rubbish too. Knock on the door.
Yeah.
Sunset na. Daddy's still working. Ay, nasa harapan pa rin ang computer. Oh, daddy na. Ay, you know how to open that. Do it properly. And give daddy his wallet. Tell him he forgot in the car. Ooh. Pick it up. Open the door.
Hello! What do you got, stickers?
That is a normal sticker. You need this.
What's that?
That's his wallet.
Ah, thank you.
I can't wait to play.
I love you.
Daddy, what's this sticker?
Messy dito guys. Oh, Laruan po yan.
I'm okay for now. You give me some when I'm finished work and we'll play with the stickers.
Stickers?
Yeah, we'll play with the stickers. Give Daddy his tina ka. Baba.
That's right. Just put it in the cupboard.
Daddy, I have coffee for you.
Ah, thank you. Can I have a kiss with that?
Is this what you received?
Yeah.
Alam niyo ba guys, galing to sa sa mami ni Daddy Mike kasi birthday ng ating daddy very soon. Very soon. Pakita natin. Na Uniqlo jumper. This is from Lola nak to Daddy. Lola?
Lila, Shuma.
No, not Vilma. That's my mom. Who's Daddy's mom? Lola?
Yeah. What?
Lola?
Lila? I don't know.
Yes, you do. The one we went to, remember? Last time. Lola ka.
Huh?
Okay.
I don't know.
Lola Karen, you don't know her? You don't know Lola Karen?
Karen. Yes, Lila Karen.
Shirt.
I like
Tapos socks. Oh, lovely. Guys, time check tayo. It's now 5:30 ng hapon. And kusina time. Nilabas ko to siya from the freezer. Ayan. So, meron tayong pakpak ng chicken. Pakpak ng chicken. At pagluluto tayo ng adobo. Tinanong ko si Daddy Mike kung kakain siya. Kakain daw siya. So, yan yung lutuin natin. And then, snack tayo. Muncher. At may mga wakwak pala tayong bisita.
At kakain din kami guys. Baka gusto nyo ka rin.
Wakwak. Say hello sa Max sa vlog.
Hi mga wakwak!
Hi, Sama.
Malamat na mga beautiful viewers. Mga wakwak.
Tingnan niyo, oo, di ba? Ang sexy talaga ng mother dear ko, guys. Oh,
Ang anak naka-oversized shirt. Ang mama naka-sleeveless.
pabukto na, lagi na.
Miss Flawless.
Pabukto na ang labanan. Video ko habang nagluluto tayo ng dinner para hindi tayo boring. Ayan. Oh, mine na pala kayo, guys. Mine. Tignan nyo. Hala, di man maklaro, eh.
Guys, support siya.
Nag-online selling din siya, guys. Oh. Mine na kayo. Visit nyo yung guys. Visit nyo yung Facebook ng sisterit ko. Kasi nagbibenta yan siya ng, ngit-ngit, kayo noon. Nagbibenta to siya ng mga ukay-ukay. So, if ever gusto nyong bumili ng ukay-ukay sa mga taga-Pilipinas dyan, yan. Yan yung business ng sister ko, eh. Big Henneman! Supportaan natin siya sa kanyang business. Business.
Ano, ako yung tingay kong subscriber dito.
Gali, inaano ko yung porsyento.
Porsyento, wala. Porsyento.
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 Let's eat. Say, bon appetit. Bon appetit. Paakon bi, antigulang bi. Ano na, eat na. Basta na. Wala na rin.
Hello. I'm
Eat, let's eat na. Nadalis gonna give you surprise after you eat.
Come.
Come on, wow.
Eat with mommy and daddy, please. We want to eat together.
Have a look at your face, oh. Chubby-chubby naman, oh. Tingnan niyo ang ating bata na madungis, oh. Ang mukha. Pinaglalaroan ng tiyan ni Mami. She wants to play with Baby Celine. Si Baby Celine din ay sobrang, sayaw-sayaw.
Mom, I'm putting lots of stickers.
Not a lot, anak. Ha?
Yes, I will play.
Not a lot. Okay.
Last one.
Tingnan niyo, oh. Go, Baby Celine, anak.
Silly.
Nakikipaglaro din si Baby Celine sa kanyang ate. So, let's play, Baby Celine.
I like those stickers. In a movie.
Tingnan nyo guys, very hard dito guys. Oh, nandito ang kanyang, I don't know. Oyo, yubot. Oyo, yubot.
Using
Peekaboo. So, I have washed already. I had a bath. Tell Tito you had a bath.
I'm a bat.
Naklong hair, nakikanak. Oh, I have a very long hair.
I have long hair in the floor.
Yeah. Very sure Tito be your long hair, be. Come here. Agoy. Wow. See?
I don't have long hair in the ground.
No, not yet, but you will get there. Okay? You will get there. See, very long hair na kayo. Wow. Wow.
It's only grow in the ground.
Yeah, because you've been eating. That's why. You eat your dinner, fruit. What? That's why you're so beautiful and long hair. I love you.
I have you like Hazel.
Ayan. Anyway, siin na natin yung vlog kasi ipapatulog ko ng ating baby girl. Maaga pa yan siya bukas. Kasi, since nung nag-maternity leave si mami niyo, palagi ko siyang nadadala sa school. Late na. And since, diba, sa previous video natin, sinabi ko na reduce na namin yung araw ni Paris sa school. So, starting tomorrow, every Tuesday na lang yung, yung school niya. Kaya we'll make sure na, she gets the most out of it. Tapos, the rest of the week, dito na siya sa bahay with me. And Daddy Mike, kasi, dapat sana bukas ng gabi, matatapos na yung lockdown namin, diba? Unfortunately, it's not happening. So, marami, pa daw, hindi pa namin alam kailan. Pero na-extend siya, pero hindi namin alam kung kailan. Anyways, shout out and thank you guys. Thank you talaga sa pag-watch ng mga videos namin. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala din tong channel na to, guys. Sobrang totoo talaga niyan. Kasi pag walang nanonood, like, parang hindi kami nagaganahan din na mag-vlog, mag-upload. Kasi, it's obviously a hard work. But then, pag nakikita namin na may mga comments, may mga likes, may mga, alam niyo, yung may mga magagandang mga words, ganyan para sa amin. Like, nakaka-motivate talaga. Kaya, thank you sa inyong lahat. And now, shout out na tayo before ako iyak. Shout out to Alena Risoles, Melin Lorente, Joanne Ambe, Amelita Balajay, Tessie Diolanto, Shailene Rafales, Mercy Narito, Ayen Capena, Just Sheng, Jocelyn Pason, Loleta Rivera, Rosemary Verzon, Hilas Ka, Alona Padilla, Rencia Dacara, Edita Culibaw, Ginny Rose Parian Peralta, Michi Manalo, Emelita Gonzalez, Leia Cotura, Adelaida Ocano, Milagros Alihaga, Chermay Ongayo, G. Alcera, Aiza Rica Diaz Mediona, Jean Bagsik, and Helen Abiertas. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Anak! Anak, magbabay na ko tito na. She's coming. Come here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.